Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're talking about healthy snack ideas for on the go. I know how tough it can be to stick to a healthy diet while you're on the move, so I've got some great tips and ideas for you. First up, why not try some homemade energy balls? They're super easy to make and pack a punch of nutrients to keep you energized throughout the day. Just mix up some oats, nuts, seeds, and dates, roll them into balls, and voila! Healthy snacks ready to go. Next, smoothies are always a great option when you're on the move. They're quick and easy to make, and you can pack them full of nutrients with just a few ingredients. I recommend using frozen fruit for your smoothie base. It helps keep your smoothie chilled for longer. If you're craving something sweet but want something healthier than candy, why not try making your own fruit leather? Simply dehydrate fruits like strawberries or apples in the oven until they become leathery. It's as easy as that. And finally, if you find yourself stuck at the airport with an unexpected layover or delay, take advantage of the free food offered by the airline. It might not be the healthiest option out there, but it beats reaching for chips or candy from a vending machine. So there you have it, some healthy snack ideas for when you're on the go. I hope these tips help you stay fueled and energized throughout your busy day. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more awesome content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.